Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have a Ferragamo unboxing for you guys. So I did pick up a little handbag that I'm going to show you. So I picked up this classic little black bag, and this is a small version. This is the Hug Bag. So this is one of their more, I would say, coveted bags, or ones that they have lots of different sizes, colors, etc. So this is small. So in here, I'll tell you a little bit of what I can get in there, but you can take this and pull these off and it opens up the bag, so it's a little bit more security. No, it does not have a zipper on the top like some bags, but this just helps you a little bit security wise. So I'm gonna put these back on and show you. And so I love the little handles, and then you can also wear it as a crossbody. So I bought this specifically for when I'm like going to concerts, or if I just want a little evening bag. It's just a little bit smaller. So I'm able to put in here like a little card holder. I can fit my phone. I can actually fit my G7X in here. I can't necessarily fit sunglasses with a large case in it, but like maybe a smaller one that you could throw in. So you can fit a decent amount in here. I can fit like my oil blotters as well, like my lip color that I'm wearing. So it does fit a decent amount for how small it is, which is what I like. I do love a small handbag, but sometimes with certain brands, I kind of steer away even though they're cuter, just because I really can't realistically fit a whole lot in there. So I love that I can fit a lot in here. And then we're gonna do a size comparison. So I have another Hug Bag from Ferragamo, and this is the medium size. Now you can fit a lot in here. I can fit a regular sized wallet in here. I have currently a larger sunglass holder. I have, my phone can fit in here, my G7X, and a lot more, keys, oil blotters, all that stuff, and there's plenty of room. This has the same thing where you can open and close. So I thought I would do a little size comparison, so just kind of like for reference. But yeah, this also comes with a shoulder strap as well. I just don't have it attached right now. So I love the versatility of these bags. They're so stylish and pretty. They come in lots of different colors, like I said, so that is something to keep in mind. So I hope this was informative for you guys and kind of gives you some little bit of some size preferences to help you pick out which might be the best for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment down below what Ferragamo bags you have or are wanting to get, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.